In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your YouTube link on Instagram story. It's an easy step for you to make, sharing your YouTube link for you to be getting more views and more subscribers. Here is an easy step for you to make on how to share your YouTube link on Instagram story. Before I show you guys these steps, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to do so by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you guys if you've subscribed. Now let's quickly dive into today's topic. For you to share your YouTube link on your Instagram story, all you need to do is to first hop into your YouTube and select the YouTube video you want to share its link. For example, I am currently in my YouTube channel. Let's go to my videos. Let me select a video I would like to share the link. Here is my videos. I'll click on the three dots, click on share video. I'm not sharing this video, I just want to copy the link. I'll click on copy link. I've successfully copied the link. Then I'll close my YouTube and I'll go to Instagram. You open on your Instagram story, you click on the plus sign up. You click on the plus sign up on my Instagram story. To create a new Instagram story, I can select any picture I want. If I don't want to use a picture, I can go with text, changing it to text. Then I'll go to the sticker up, click on the sticker. You search for link. You search for link. Here you paste the copied YouTube link. Then you click on done. As you can see, here's the YouTube link. But it won't be nice posting just the link this way. Let's add some right to the link. Let me say subscribe to my channel. Let's add a YouTube logo. Search for YouTube. Can select any YouTube sticker to use. Let's go. Can add it down below. So that is it, guys. As you can see, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here's my YouTube channel link. Then I just added a YouTube sticker. If I want to share it, you can share it on your story by clicking the plus sign. You can see. Can share. Click on share. And you click on done. As you can see, my YouTube story has been shared successfully. Here is my YouTube story. It's currently uploading. So guys, that is it on how to share your YouTube link on Instagram story. See you guys in our next video. Bye.